Hello, I'm Samantha from Ward-Brodt Music. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the A string on a full-size violin. This process is the same for all 4 strings, all violin sizes, and all string instruments of the same family, like violas, cellos, and upright basses. To change a string, you will need a stable table to place your violin on. Set the new strings, a tuner, and a number 2 graphite pencil next to it. A mechanical pencil won't work in this case, and if you don't have a number 2 graphite pencil, that's okay. The pencil is optional. Now, before I show you how to change a string, I'm going to go over some parts of the violin that you'll hear me mention. This is the scroll. It's carved from wood and decorative. These are the pegs. They sit in the peg box, and each one of them corresponds to a string. They are what hold the strings and are used to make large tuning adjustments. Right below the peg box is the nut. It serves as a point for the strings to rest on. This is the bridge. The tension of the strings on top is what keeps the bridge upright. If you are changing more than one string, replace the strings one by one. Do not remove all the strings at the same time or the bridge will fall out of place. This is the tailpiece. The ball end of the string is attached to the holes here. Lastly, these are fine tuners. They're used to make small tuning adjustments. Now I'll show you how to change a string. The first step is removing the string you are replacing. If the string is intact and not broken, find the corresponding peg for the string you're replacing. Slowly twist the peg inwards towards the bridge until the string unwinds from the peg. Next, remove the ball end from the tailpiece. If the string snapped and is broken, then remove any remaining pieces of the string from the pegs and/or tailpiece. This next step is optional. Take your number 2 graphite pencil and gently run the pencil over the groove of the bridge and the nut where the string will be touching. You only need a little, so don't put too much. The graphite helps keep the string from binding to the contact points. Unravel your new replacement string. This is the ball end. Insert the ball end into the hole in the tailpiece. Make sure it is secure by pulling the string towards the bridge until it is hooked into the hole. Take the other end of the string and thread it through the hole in the peg until it just pokes through to the other end. Slowly turn the peg outwards towards the scroll, winding the string so that the coil goes towards the edge of the peg box. Once the string is relatively taut, make sure the string sits in the grooves on the bridge and nut. Now wind the string until there's no slack left, but don't over tighten it. Push the peg in towards the peg box to secure it. The last step is to tune your new string. Turn on your tuner and clamp it to the scroll of the instrument. Gently pluck the string and use the pegs to tune the string until it's around the correct pitch. When tuning, remember to go slow and make small adjustments. This will prevent the string from snapping. Then use the fine tuners to reach the exact pitch. New strings take time to adjust to the stretch and require frequent tuning in the first few days of changing them. Changing a string might seem like a daunting task, but I hope you found these instructions helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at Ward-Brodt. Thank you for watching.